All right, welcome back. This is our detail page. This is supposed to show this image here, rhubarb and gully. Currently, it doesn't show anything. Nothing in here is dynamic. Now, we know we can use get context data, but we don't need to do that because Django manages a lot of that stuff for us. So if we open up our views.py, we're using a template name called detail.html, and we're saying that model is post. If we open up our urls.py, our path is detail and then some sort of number. And it's going to automatically figure out that there is an integer in there, reassign it to the variable called pk, and somewhere in this detail view, it's going to work that out for us. It's going to say, oh, I know exactly what you're looking for. Now, by default, if it can find what you're looking for, in your context, what would we call this? Because before we were calling it like posts or my thing, we need to call this something. And so let's go ahead and try object. And it gives us the object. And in fact, actually what this is doing here, I'm really glad this came up, is it gave me the text. And that's because if we go to the models, it gave us the post object, but it gave us the string representation of this, which is just self.text. But presumably we could do object.text or object.image. So let's do object.image. Okay, that's the image name. So almost there. What if we did image.url? That's our URL. That's what we want. So let's go ahead and hash this out a little bit. So let's say h3